Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. We are live in the city of Asaba. Yes, I had a stop in Asaba today and I decided to experience the nightlife of Asaba and to also do a drive around and see how the city looks at night and also just experience it for myself. If you're a returning subscriber in this video, thank you very much. We do appreciate your sincere support for our channel, and if you are seeing our video for the first time, you're welcome to our TV. Please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Yes guys, this is about 8:30 p.m. in the evening, and I've been hearing a lot about Asaba, how safe it is, how clean it is, how well lit it is at night. So I decided to say, okay, let me take my time to drive to ShopRite and take dinner at ShopRite. Let me just have a glimpse of what the town looks like around this time. Yeah, generally the town is well lit, I must say, just like as you can see, a lot of street lights, a lot of lights all over the whole town. Yeah, just some few sections of the town you experience a little bit of darkness, but so far around this Nnebisi Road that I'm driving from, the light is good. The light is very, very good. I think the town is okay. I made a few inquiries before I left my hotel room. They said the town is actually safe at night, no much stories, that you can actually drive at any time, just that there are a lot of police checkpoints once it is 8, 9 or 10 at night that they usually disturb a lot because of the boys that move around at night within the city. So I was like, okay, I don't have an issue with police. Let me do a drive around to ShopRite. Let me take dinner, just experience the town a little and come back. If you are from Delta State and you are seeing this video, do well to rep your location in the comment section, and if you have stayed in Asaba or experienced Asaba at night, also do well to let me know in the comment section. And just to mention guys, I've been hearing some side talk from friends and from different persons that Asaba is a new owerri. Also to let me get your thought on what you think about that. I know they try to make me understand the reason for that, but I said, okay, I don't know. I've been in owerri at night and now I'm in Asaba at night. Let me drive around and see what they're talking about. We did this drive from Nnebisi Road down to what was this road called after ShopRite again? I remember the name as we progress. So we did that. So we are just at this flyover leading to Summit Junction. Yeah, that's the flyover, and here is ShopRite. We're driving into ShopRite now, just to have a view of what ShopRite is. I learned that from 5 o'clock, ShopRite is like a marketplace filled with a lot of persons, boys, girls. Everybody will just storm ShopRite around that time. I'm like, okay, let me drive into ShopRite, let me eat here and see if actually it is what it is. But I observed something very strange that very day. Getting here, I observed the policemen were actually chasing people out. I parked my car, I asked some questions, and they said, oh, they're actually chasing some ladies out. Well, I said, it's okay, no problem. So that was my observation. So suddenly, the whole place became very calm, and the place became very scanty. So that was my observation around ShopRite as at the time I was here. So when I was done eating, I still came out. The place was still very calm. I don't know why they had to be chasing those ladies out. So if you know, you can also let me know in the comment section why they were chasing the ladies out of the mall. And that actually made a lot of people leave the mall. I don't know why. They were standing outside here. They were not actually inside the mall. They were standing outside here. So I don't know why. So you do let me know in the comment section if you know what that means. So this is just a glimpse of what it looks like at night, and I'm done eating, and I'll be driving out in a jiffy just to drive into Okpanam Road a little and see how Okpanam Road looks like. So just anticipate us driving around Okpanam Road and see how it also looks like at night. Is it well lit as the Nnebisi Road, we're going to be seeing that in a jiffy. Yeah, if you are still watching by now and you have not subscribed yet, please, I don't know what you're waiting for, do well to join our big family by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. We have some awesome videos about Asaba, about Delta State in general. You can check our video catalog under the Delta State to see what we have there for you. There's a current flyover project going on in Asaba. We've also done a video on that. You can as well check out the flyover work. Hopefully the work has gone pretty far, but too much traffic around that region now, so I could not get there to give you the update as at now as I'm in Asaba. So but generally I enjoyed myself in the mall, had my dinner, and I had to drive out. So let's go check out Okpanam Road and see how Okpanam Road is at night. Great view around ShopRite, busy environment. This is almost 9 already, or 9 already safe, so still busy, and the gate was still very much open. I learned they'll be closing by that 9:30-10 at the mall, so but the environment was still a lot busy. So I enjoyed myself. So let's do and drive out, just giving you a general turn, a general view of it. So if you are in Asaba and you concur with the fact that the town is safe at night, also do let me know in the comment section. I didn't hear about anything security wise. It was generally safe, and everybody I asked said the town is very safe at night. So we are currently at Okpanam Road, driving around Okpanam Road now. So we're making a U-turn towards the police command in front. So just a drive around just to see how the city looks. And Okpanam Road obviously has some great light as well, just like the Nnebisi Road. Yeah, the lightning was also very cool, and I was also happy to see that they have Cold Stone now in Asaba. From my last visit, I think I didn't come to this direction, so I didn't know there was Cold Stone in Asaba. So it was great to know. So maybe my next visit, I should pay them a visit. So this is Nnebisi Road, and the view of Asaba. So let me get your thoughts. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. So guys, that is it for Asaba. I'll be signing out now from the city at night. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share with your loved ones, and also do let me get your thoughts like I've said before. So guys, thank you for joining me, and if you have not subscribed, please do well to click the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber still watching, thank you very much. We do appreciate your love for the channel. So guys, signing out from the city of Asaba at night. We'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye.